what we have done time and time again as it relates to the hotel rooms is really try and explain to the public the challenges, especially in light of social distancing. Would we like to open the doors of every hotel room and give everybody a place to stay? Of course we would, but it's not that easy. The challenges, as I've continued to say, with the population that we are serving, people who are unfortunately unhoused, some who suffer from substance use disorder and mental illness, those challenges that these people are dealing with, they don't just go away because there's a pandemic. And so when we look at hotels, we have to make sure, as Dr. Colfax talked about and Trent Rohr talked about, that people struggling with mental illness, we need to make sure that the clinicians and the city staff who have never worked with this population before, that they are trained, that they are prepared, that they are able to provide them with the resources and the support that they need, that we're not basically opening up and putting 100 people with mental illness in the same hotel. We're looking at smaller hotels. We have around the clock, 24/7 service, whether it's our staff, whether it's nurses, there's 3 meals a day, there's cleaning, there's management, there's people who call in sick and aren't available, but we need them for those shifts. There's training that goes into all of this. And the work that we are doing, for example, here at the Emergency Operations Center, has everything to do with making sure that we are working with staff in the city in various departments to get them prepared and trained to do this work. But it's not easy. And if it were that easy, we would have done it a long time ago, and other major cities in this country would have done the same thing. We have moved faster and further along than almost any other major city in the country as it relates to housing our unhoused population. Over 700 people have been housed out of our shelters and counting. So I'm really proud of the work that they continue to do. Would I like to do more? Yes, I'd like to do more. Would I like to open up 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 hotel rooms? Of course, who wouldn't? But that is not the reality of what we as a city can do. And what I've made clear time and time again, that every decision that we make, everything we do, is going to be based in what is reality.